Exercise number 16 of 700 second half paragraph 80 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mia Chanu, Stenographers Academy, Mia Chanu. Ready? Start. But it is a small thing of no importance whatever when measured by objects outside the earth, comma, when measured by the size of some of the great masses of burning matter which we see as points of light above us at night. Full stop. New para. We tell our friends, comma, perhaps, comma, that our weight is this or is that, comma, but here again we meet with difficulties. Full stop. Our weight is different in different parts of the world, comma, while if we found ourselves on a body smaller than the earth, we should be so light that we could move about with an ease impossible here. Full stop. On the other hand, comma, if we found ourselves on a body much bigger than the earth, comma, we should be so heavy that we could hardly move at all. Full stop. New para. We read in the newspaper that a plane has reached the wonderful rate of over 600 miles an hour, comma, but what is a rate like this when thought of side by side with the rate at which light moves? Question mark. As for movement to the north or to the south, comma, to the east or to the west, comma, we know that our movement can be judged only in relation to some other object which is at rest or which can be said to be moving at a given rate away from or towards us. Full stop. The earth itself is turning at a great rate and we do not feel this movement of itself. Full stop. We can judge the movement of the earth only in relation to some other object which is not moving with it. Full stop. We have probably all had the experience of not being able to tell which way a train is moving at night when we cannot see anything out of the windows. Full stop. We cannot tell which way we are moving or at what rate we are moving except in relation to another object which is not moving with us. Full stop. New para. And so we find that many of the common expressions of daily life have no meaning in themselves and become real for us only when considered in relation to some other fact or object. Full stop.